Good morning, class 9th. In the last class, we had discussed about the plate tectonic theory and also the continental drift theory. Now, it is clear that this Earth's crust is made up of fragments, number of plates which also move. So today we will discuss about the different types of plate movement. Okay, so there are three types of plate movement or plate boundaries: converging, diverging and transform. The movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continents over millions of years. So what are converging plates? When two plates they come close towards each other, okay, this motion of plate is known as converging motion, and the boundary between these two plates form is a convergent boundary. Diverging, B is diverging. When the two plates they move away from each other, okay, this motion is known as diverging plate motion, and the boundary between these two is formed, it is divergent boundary. And the third is the transform boundary. It occurs where two plates slide or green past each other. Okay, so no converging or diverging plate boundaries. In this plate movement, in this the plates are neither created nor destroyed as they slide past each other. Okay. Now, so convergent boundaries occur where two plates slide towards each other to form a subduction zone. Okay. One plate moves underneath the other, goes inside the other one. Alright. So at zones of ocean to continent subduction, when ocean plates collide with a continental plate, a zone of subduction is created, like the Andes mountain range. Okay, the dense oceanic lithosphere plunges beneath the less dense continent. Alright, and then the second is ocean to ocean subduction. The older, cooler and denser crust sleeps beneath less dense crust. So this motion causes earthquake and a deep trench to form in an arc shape. And then we also have the continent to continent collision. Okay, so continent to continent boundaries, like in case of Himalaya, the collision between masses of granitic continental lithosphere, neither mass is subducted. What happened? The plate edges are compressed, they are also folded and uplifted in case of the continent to continent collision, as they are mainly made up of granite. So they are lighter one, both of them, and therefore there is no subduction, and the edges are compressed, they also are folded and they also are uplifted. So this is the picture of the convergent boundary. This is one plate, this is another plate. This arrow shows that these two plates they come close towards each other and forms a boundary, that is convergent boundary. Now the next is divergent boundary, occurs where two plates slide apart from each other. At zones of ocean to ocean drifting, you can see here the two plates are going away from each other. Ocean to ocean drifting, divergent boundaries formed by sea floor spreading. Okay, and allowing for the formation of a new ocean basins. So when the ocean floor, the two plates in the ocean, they move away from each other, that is called a sea floor spreading. New crust in the ocean is formed, new ocean basin is formed. As the ocean plate splits, the ridge forms at the spreading center, the ocean basin expands, and finally the plate area increases, causing many small volcanoes or shallow earthquakes. At zones of continent to continent rifting. Okay, Divergent boundaries may cause new ocean basin to form as the continent splits, the central rift collapses, and ocean fills the basin. Alright, like the mid-Atlantic ridge, okay, and the East African rift, they're example of the diverging plate motion. So this diverging plate motion, it is responsible for the formation of rift valleys or the mid-Atlantic ridges. So this is the third type of motion, the transform boundary, the transform motion. In this motion, the plates slide past each other. As you can see, the arrow shows that they slide past each other. They do not collide with each other. There is no crumble, no collision, and they also do not move away from each other. They simply slide past each other. Okay, so plates in this way are neither created or nor destroyed. All right. Transform faults occur across a spreading center. Strong earthquakes can occur along a fault. Okay, like for example, the San Andreas Fault in California is an example of the transform boundary. So these are the three types of plate motion, the plate boundaries, which are responsible for the formation of the fold mountains, trenches, okay, the rift valleys, that is the present landform of the earth.